Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a great week so far, and some of you might all already almost be into the weekend. But welcome to this new video on Bitcoin. We're going to do a full update on this Friday. Talk about what you need to know. Talk about the current situation. Yesterday, as expected, we were able to get some more bullish momentum into the main resistance zone right here between 98 and 99,000, and that's where we are right now. And from there, I want to start because overall, this move was to be expected after we got that liquidation spike down here on Tuesday and a beautiful reclaim on Wednesday morning. It was most likely, I mean, you can also see the range right here that after we successfully reclaimed back into the range, that we would get up to the top of the range. However, what you can see historically, or at least over the last, couple of weeks, is that the main resistance is where we are right now, right? And that brings up the question, and that's also the most important question, is that, all right, well, are we strong enough, or is Bitcoin strong enough? Because we definitely are strong enough, but Bitcoin, who knows? Is Bitcoin strong enough to actually break above this resistance and get up to the major resistance of the daily range right here around 101 and 102,000? And that is a difficult question to ask, all right? Because at this point of time, I would actually argue that most of the fundamentals around the crypto markets are not bad, but they could be better, all right? You can, for example, see, the dollar strength index has been very, very weak, so that's good. That's very bullish for the markets. And yes, we're at support, but overall, it does seem on the higher time frames as well that this is turning bearish. So that's great. But then the stock market hasn't really moved since Friday last week. So we're not really getting bullish momentum from that. The USDT dominance is at support. And unless we break down below that support, the most likely scenario is still that we will see a bounce here. And that would be bearish for crypto in general. So overall, the fundamentals, they're not bad. But we do need to see some breakdowns for the USDT dominance. And for altcoins, a breakout for the total 3 to actually see real bullish momentum. And then if you take a look at Bitcoin specifically right now, I mean, what you can see is that the volume yesterday actually did go up a bit more, right? So that's great. And that certainly helped us get into resistance. But the volume is up 10%. And I do not want to show you this, but I have to show you it. The leverage has increased an incredible amount, right? You can see right here yesterday evening, actually, there was a huge leverage spike coming in, which brings us to the same amount of leverage as we were at right here, the 3rd of February after that crash. So in general, that's not great, and I can already tell you, historically, this ends in a major pullback. So we are going to pull back. Soon, I would argue. However, the question is as well, is that from that 98,000, 99,000 level, and will we pull back from there? Or can we first get up to 101, 102,000, and will we pull back from there? And for now, given what the situation is now, which is that I would argue the fundamentals are leaning bullish, with the dollar strength index being very bearish, and there being a strong and healthy Coinbase Bitcoin premium, which always helps. And then outside of that, technically, we've actually been able to break above a minor key level right here at 98,000. So that's a good sign as well. So I'll tell you that I think it's more likely we're actually going higher before ultimately pulling back and dropping back down to 95,000 at least. So those are my thoughts on Bitcoin for now. I will try to keep you updated on this, of course, but that's it for now. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.